hardware. I hope you can even hear me. If the mic works through this, it's probably pretty good. Ace Hardware, T Hardware.
These sidewalls don't look like they're gonna be super fat.
Tire screeds.
These are gonna be fucking sticky.
They just spawned in when we got back from getting the hardware. Yup. 235 40 R19. So
These look wide for 235s.
Exactly, and that's why, and that's what I did. But I threw one of my 225s like on top of it, and it was like, oh, it's just a little bit bigger. So
because those on the front, I got 235s on this right now. Like these look wider.
Tire screeds. The camera died last time, but
Show that purple strap. Did we show that yet? Thunder Valley, where we're going, requires to have a toe strap, or else they'll just throw their toe strap around your A-pillars and they will not care if they rip your roof or windshield out. So I've got a toe strap. And then got the seat solid mounted in.
it sits way lower than mine because you don't have sliders or anything. It's good.
Way low, and I'm way further forward. I think I'm a little too close.
Might be hitting your knees, possibly.
Yeah, maybe
But only time will tell.
yeah.
Do you think it sits forward more than the last seat, right?
Yeah.
Do you think it sits lower?
I think it is lower too.
Okay.
But these cushions are also like thicker, so like when these cushions wear out, I'll be even lower. These are like new cushions. We got the shirt stuck in a little pocket phone mount here.
Oh yeah.
This thing is awesome.
They need to make those in every color.
Yeah, like the gloves.
Yeah.
I need to get another pair of gloves too. 'Cause I gave Jordan my old ones.
Mine are minty from you. From forever ago.
I need to run those.
I didn't like them on track last time.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I should try the sim with them. If my sim wheel didn't have the rubber shit on the sides, like exactly in the spot where those are,
Yeah.
it feels so much better.
Yeah.
I might even just cut them off.
What the fuck is that?
Someone's garage. Cool. Now you want an RC.
Yeah.
So for the event coming up, I got my Accelera 351s at home, and Tyson got his 651s, so he's going to be a little bit grippier than me at this event, but we're going to see how cars will do on an actual kart track. I'm going to still have the same front tires I had at the last drift event, and we were drifting at the rain in some portions of that. It might rain again at this event, which if it does, that just means even more fun. So we'll see, but we'll see what breaks on my car too. All right, let's show it real quick. I don't have the Acceleras on right now. I got some other Kumos on from forever ago. I might kill him off.
I don't know if I even posted the segment and just put these wheels on.
Oh. Full blacked out. Ready for drift STL.
Next week.
Next week.
Probably when this will be it.
Same ride seat. I don't even know what this color correction is on this, but same bride seat that Tyson just put on his car. They were together and now they're divorced. Two different ones now. I'm hoping that my e-brake shoes that I did on another video are going to be really good. I really haven't even been able to try them out until we're going to go to this track where we're going to have enough speed to like pull the handbrake and have them lock up.
Yeah.
But I don't know. What else was I going to say? Yeah, the subframe bushings is what I want to do next, just because I have a solid transmission now. You probably should just run it solid the rest of the way. That's probably why this fucking axle problem's happening, is shit like that. So I'm sure it'll probably help me if I would have done it beforehand, but this shit's expensive, bro. I just had to drop the same amount of money I would have done to drift to do the rear subframe bushings, so we're just gonna go drift. Fuck buying the parts. We're gonna see how it does, because it did fine last time. If it rains, it'll be perfect.
Oh, if If it rains, we're gonna fucking shred.
If it rains. Last time it was a lot of rain.
It's a little go-kart track, so we're gonna shred.
Last time there was so much rain, Edgar's car was fucking up because the transmission was getting water inside up to the clutch.
Yeah.
So we don't want that problem, but I'll take the rain. What do you think? All blacked out, clear tails? What do you guys think? That's what I got on though. Also, should I keep the LS400 brakes? Should I go to full-on Supra brakes?
I think we respray those some.
We could paint them candy red, bright candy red. Fuck it, we'll paint the mirrors bright candy red now. It'd be cool to put something over these and make them red or something. I'm sure that's not legal, but they're not supposed to be clear either, right? So whatever. Need to redo the wrap. Wrap jobs on the skirts are toast.
That's like 4 years old now.
It's like 4 years old. I mean, I'll give them a great review, right?
That was some Amazon wrap.
The Amazon wrap. Shout out Amazon wrap. I don't even think they make it that good anymore because we bought damn near the same stuff to put on Andy's car and it didn't work as well. But maybe that's because it was on paint and not fiberglass. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just excited to drive this car on the track.
Both cars will be repainted. Once we get full aero.
Yeah, I know, right? I might get a different rear lip that actually is the bumper and the lip combined together because this line's not it.
Yeah.
This needs to be one solid piece for it to really be a 90s
Would you do
Toyota.
fenders? Oh, you said you would do front fenders at least. That's kind of what I'm doing.
Yeah, front fenders, I think I would get. I mean, the rest of the stuff is Origin Lab rep, so I would get probably the Origin Lab fenders, which really wouldn't look any different other than they're more poked out. These arms I have on the car are basically pushed all the way in, so I have a lot of play to move this out. Like these lower control arms I don't even think are supposed to be threaded in this far, right? I could have got even more extended lower control arms, but the angle, the already suspension angle of this car being slammed like this, it isn't good anyway, so I don't need extended lower control arms, probably messing it up than helping me. If the car was raised like Ebisu fitment and it was poked out and it had the upper fenders on the front and it had a turbo,
Yeah.
that would be a whole different game.
These all 4 Valinos on black, and then the black works as spares is so fire.
Yeah, right. What, you can't go wrong with black work wheels.
And
Can't go.
that having a KF as the spares now.
Yeah. Can't go wrong with work wheels, bro. I got a spare one as well to use as like a coffee table. Just because Up Garage didn't have 4.
Do something with that.
Bro, Up Garage USA sucks because they only have 3.
You're about to bomb now.
Yeah.